Hi, we're gonna make shrimp with asparagus. We're gonna use about half pound of white shrimp, just pure and deveined. And we're not gonna marinate them this time. So just fry them up, and we use about a pound of asparagus and onions, red onions, and gingers and garlics, chopped on about teaspoon of each, and some red and orange peppers. We have to fry up the shrimp first. It's about half a pound of white shrimp. We're just using a little bit, just some oil in it, and any kind of oil, and just fry them up. And you're turning them. Just like that. And also you're gonna sprinkle some of the salt and black pepper. Just like that. So we just, they're real easy to cook. Just the only thing you have to do is you just see them, try to browning them, kind of see them browning them up. Yeah, that's about it. Pretty cool. See them pretty brown. So you don't have to really cooking them. All you want is just see the colors, and you can pick this up. And you're going to using a little bit of this oil because they have the shrimp flavor in it. You're going to put that garlic and gingers in it first, like that, and the onion. And after that, you put the asparagus in it. And try to browning them a little bit. Usually they don't take too long to cook. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry and half a tablespoon of sugar. And also you put about half a cup of water in it. Just enough to cover a little bit of vegetable. You know, you can see them sowing the vegetable. And you cover them up a little bit, maybe a minute or two. Oh, well, okay. Here's about couple minutes, you know, 2 minutes. Then we're gonna put the red and orange pepper in it, and also the sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil. And one tablespoon of oyster sauce. Okay. And now we're gonna make some sauce in it. So all you have to do is just put some water in it. A little bit of cornstarch. A little bit in it, a little bit at a time. And now you're gonna put the shrimp in it. And also we add a bit of black pepper in it. I think that's about done. And we're gonna put it on the plate. Okay, this is shrimp and asparagus.